Hey everybody, this is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to show you through the 2026 Keystone Bullet Classic 18 RBC. This is a great lightweight couples coach that has some awesome quality build and functional features that you do not want to miss out on. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think of this video in the comments down below, and of course, let's get into it. Starting off on the outside, we have a gel-coated Phelon exterior that's super scratch resistant, and we've got some really nice new 2026 exterior graphics that look really nice, sleek, and clean for you. You've got a power tongue jack as well as your LP tank cover right around front. You've also got great front plate protection so that your unit doesn't get scratched during travel. You've got a pass-through storage compartment up front, and this unit does come prepped with inverter prep and a future solar charge controller location in case you want to put solar on this unit in the future. On both of the exterior storage compartments, you've got magnetic door catches. You've also got 4 manual stab jacks on this unit, keep this thing nice and stable. And of course, you'll find your tankless water heater around the back near your storage compartment off door side as well. Around back, you'll find your rear camera prep and your spare tire. This unit does not come with a ladder or ladder prep. However, this unit is a fully walkable roof, so you can get up there and check your seals when you need. Around front is where you'll find your exterior shower, just a really nice touch on that door side for you. And you've also got an enclosed underbelly on this unit and some leaf spring axles and Tamarack tires. This is really just going to ensure you have a nice, smooth, and dependable ride down the road. Heading inside, we're starting with the bedroom. You've got a nice 60 by 60 inch queen bed up front. And of course, your standard bedroom storage, which include a ward style closet on both sides, and of course, your overhead storage there. You've also got 2 bedside tables with outlet and USB charging, perfect for your CPAPs and your phones and things like that. And that is, again, on both sides of the bed. The bed does lift up to reveal some extra storage there, and you have some open storage down below with that net barrier so things aren't sliding around when you're traveling. Moving on, we do have one singular slide in this unit. It is a flush floor slide, which is always nice, and a nice tall slide box as well. You've got a jackknife sofa and a foldable table, a freestanding table for you there in case you want to move that out of the way. What's perfect about this as well is that the jackknife sofa has storage underneath, so you can stick that table underneath there to get it out of the way in case you don't want it out. Right next to the sofa in that same slide box, you have your 12-volt fridge here. It's really going to be a good size fridge for you because this is a smaller / mid-size couples coach, so you're not going to have a whole family you're going to have to shove a bunch of food in there for. Moving on to the rear bathroom, you've got these nice barn-style sliding door, and then, of course, this bathroom is honestly pretty big. You've got a lot of bathroom storage here, nice overhead cabinet. A lot of times, units this size have very small bathrooms with not a lot of cabinet space and counter space, but this one definitely makes up for that. You've got a lot of cabinet space and counter space in this bathroom. You've also got your plastic foot flush toilet there with lots of space around it so you're not tripping over things, and a large shower with a skylight and this extendable shower door. Some people don't like these kinds of shower doors, but I think it's pretty nifty because it squeegees the water off as you're opening it. Next to the shower is where you'll find your tankless water heater control, tankless gas water heater. It's going to keep your water nice and warm for you. And to the final part of this RV is the kitchen. You've got a 2-burner stovetop here as well as a microwave down below, perfect for all of your cooking needs. You don't have an oven in this unit, but that's okay because a lot of people prefer cooking over a fire rather than an oven, especially when they're camping. You've got a ton of cabinet, drawer, and counter space in this kitchen area. All of the cabinets have solid hardwood cabinet frames and hidden hinges, so this thing is going to stay nice and sturdy and durable for you throughout your use. You've also got seamless counters in this camper, which is always a nice touch because you don't have to worry about water damage in between the seams of your counters and having it bubble and things like that. You've also got bow floor vinyl flooring all throughout this unit. It's easy to clean, it's durable, and you've got the HyperDeck flooring underneath it, which is stronger, more resilient, and lighter than your traditional laminated wood. And of course, as the name suggests, it resists water damage. So you can trust you have a nice, solid floor construction underneath you. which is just a comfort to know. Alright guys, that was the 2026 Keystone Bullet Classic 18 RBC. A great, solid built couples coach that is lightweight and carries all of the basics and necessities that you could possibly need. This unit is available now at premierrv.com. If you're interested, give us a call, and as always, thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.